Hey guys, I wanted to show you how easy it is to load the response pages for Giraffe problems into your Seesaw account. We've gone through and done all of the heavy lifting for you, so all you have to do is click some links. So go ahead and open up this document. It is in the zipped file. It is called Read Me First. So we thought that was a handy little title for you. And so it's going to walk you through how you can add Seesaw to your account and the steps you need to do to add it. This is where you're going to find the links. And let me show you what happens when you click on these links. So for this activity, here's the link, right? So those are all of the activities. When you click on it, it's going to take you right to Seesaw. And I'm going to hit Save Activity. And it's going to go right into my library. Now I can go ahead and click Assign, and I can assign it to my class. Okay. One of the things that can happen though sometimes when you click those links, instead of coming to this page where it says My Library, you'll come to something that says Community, and the page is going to look like this. Okay. That means it did not load into your account. Part of the problem, I believe part of the problem, we're trying to troubleshoot this, but our understanding is that Seesaw is inundated right now. It's such a great platform, but it's so inundated right now that all of that traffic is causing some glitches. Okay, so this is the workaround. Let me tell you, this has worked for me every single time. I go back to my class, and I'm going to sign out of my account. So I click here, click that gear, and I sign out. I want to go ahead and shut the rest of my windows that I have here. And the only window I do have open is my screen recorder. And now I'm going to go ahead and try to click this. And it should take me right into it, save the activity. Oh, it's telling me to sign in because I signed out, which is perfect. And now it's in there as well. Here I have it right here. So let me show you inside of here what it looks like, okay? So for this particular activity, let me go ahead and copy and edit. Inside of here, you're going to see the link to the video. And then if I click on here, it's going to take me to the retelling. So it should automatically be on the hand, but we can put it on the hand. This tells us that's a grab one. So we're just going to, oh, nope, I didn't do that right. Let me go ahead and erase that. There we go. Now I'm on the hand, and I can move these into place wherever they need to go, okay? If I want to draw on it, on this particular one, we're not going to draw on it, but let's just pretend like we're responding. We can do that. You also have the option of hitting the type, which gives you a type box. So I can just type a message in there. It's one of the great things about Seesaw is you have all of this availability. Let's see. I'll go ahead and exit here. One other thing I wanted to mention, let me just go back into this account. I'll need to get rid of that. Delete. The other thing that you can do is sometimes we have some pages. Let me just go ahead and show, I'll go into that one instead. Hold on. Hold that thought. I'm going to open up one of these other pages where there is a response request, like for example here. So let me go in and open that. And if you can see in here, there is a type. There's also a microphone where students can record. But one of the things that you can also do is have students take a picture. So if it's too hard for them to type, depending if you've never used Seesaw before, it might be hard. If it's hard for them to draw if they're on a laptop, they can go the old-fashioned route. They can get a piece of paper, write on there, and then take a photograph of it. You would click on this button right here to take a photo, and it's going to come in right here on the screen. I would show you, but y'all, I look like a mess right now, so I'm not going to like scare you with a picture of me. But anyhow, that's how you could add those in as well. All right, that is how we add things into Seesaw. Super easy. Now, if you're going to ask me about how do we do it in Google Classroom, how does this work for Dojo? Does this work for Class Tag? I cannot tell you anything about those platforms. What I can tell you is inside of this unit, you're going to see the image files, and you will have to build those activities yourself. Anyhow, hopefully that helps you get started. Enjoy.